Hey, Gospel Guitarist here, and I just wanted to show everybody my new desk setup for my bedroom. It used to be climbing to the ceiling, and now it's completely horizontal instead of vertical. And I got things where I can actually reach them and use them. I've always wanted my setup to be like this. And I took all the wood from my old setup and I converted it into this setup. So I'm happy with it, and maybe I'll give you some ideas for your own bedroom. It's 72 inches long by about 22 inches wide. Built totally of 2x6s, so it's a bit heavy on the heavy side as well, but it'll be durable and it'll last me for a long time, and I got my gear right where I can reach it. And I like it. It works. Maybe you'll have some ideas. Carry on. Okay, Gospel Guitarist tip of the day. Remember, clean your pedal board. They sound better that way.